no, nosotros, porque nos dan lástima. Pero oye, escucha.
Yo sé que...
So this is really nice. Wow, this is really nice. Really grotty. So this tour is ready to continue the rest. So we can now come into the next buildings and in one of the best grotty buildings ever. This gate is locked. Oh God. This machine never works. This must be the air conditioner. You know, in the best buildings ever. The awesome grotty buildings that they have some first lifts. They must be 44 and 42, not 14. Because 14 has been modernized. Oh dear, building 40 is open. This was a longer time. This month that we not done.
No, ahora no entiendas.
Yeah. Now they're building 40 into the next lift. It's a really annoying lift that you will never forget. He's coming down. Yeah. We don't.
Que no somos muy pocos encerrados ahí.
Vale, gracias.
Nada.
Oh dear. Really awesome. Well, really modern. And you'll never forget.
Tengo mucho calor, yo dentro de nada ya no puedo venir por los ascensores, mira cómo suda la lluvia. Hace ya mucho calor.
Dear. This blah blah blah. What's not coming from this floor? Here is really old. So this is before they get modernized. But the lift was a really nice 50s lift. But I don't know what this was a brand. Let's go up to the roof. Nope. And this is the lift motor room. The door to the roof is empty. Oh dear, I have to go back. In here is the exit to the roof. Really nice 50s escalators. But ThatBluePandaGuy, if you like this news, I respect your opinion. Hier, ja. Grotty.